Hello friends, today we will talk about top 15 oval face jaw-dropping hairstyles for women with oval face. Friends, please subscribe our YouTube channel Gyan Mitra. If you have an oval face shape, you have landed the most versatile shape for hairstyles. Many women blessed with different face shapes, round, long, square and heart, get haircuts that will give the illusion that they have an oval face. That's something you don't have to worry about. With an oval face, you can wear almost any hairstyle. No matter the length of your cut, you will look best with layers near your cheekbones, lips or chin. Basically, you can choose whichever feature you want to highlight. Now let's check out best 15 hairstyles which will look best for oval shape. Bronde Ombre Lob, a shaggy lob, hooked end with a middle part, curved bangs, cheekbone grazing fringe, Slight-Pouf-Updo-With-Thick-Bangs, pixie cut, middle bun, straight sleek long hairstyle middle part, the Romantic Updo, long top knot, side volume, long straight brunette-hair-bangs, growing out pixie, wavy bangs and curly hair. So guys, we were talking about some of the best hairstyles for oval face. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Gyan Mitra.